It's your girl Trippy, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be making me a little light, very light dinner slash lunch, because I didn't eat dinner or lunch. So it's going to be having some shrimp with some grilled chicken breast strips. I don't know, probably end up putting some broccoli or something like that. So right now I got my skillet hot, got it on. I got my shrimp soaking because they was frozen. So right now I need a I need a spoon. I got my shrimp soaking in water if I can take the tails off. I need a spoon. Give me that spoon right there. So right now I'm finna get this butter right here and put in my skillet just a little bit, because you know I'm on this weight loss journey. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'm trying to do this, y'all. I'm trying. Ooh, too hot. Cut that ceiling fan on in this room. Okay. I ain't want a lot. I'm gonna put a little bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the chicken breast. I'm just gonna put enough to get me full. Remind you, I am eating shrimp too. So I just got these frozen little chicken. Frozen chicken that I'm gonna let it cook for a minute first to get it unfrozen, and then I'm gonna start adding the seasoning. That's enough right there. Okay, put that back in the fridge. So when this cooks, when it start undoing, I will be back. Okay, I let this cook now. I done took the tails off my shrimp. I done cleaned them. Now I'm just gonna put this in there. They was sitting in water, y'all. So, and everybody knows shrimp don't take that long to cook. So while it's cooking, I'm gonna do my little 1-2. I'm gonna put a scoop of butter. Do one more scoop on the opposite side. Also go watch my previous videos, y'all. Go watch my previous videos and subscribe to your girl channel. You see how when I put the shrimp in there, it cools it down a little bit. So when it get to going again, I'm gonna add my season, because I don't want to add too much season, because this ain't finna do. I'm gonna turn into water. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, your girl is big. I'm tired of waiting, so I just cut it up, cut my heat up a little bit, because I don't like chewy shrimp, y'all. I do not like chewy shrimp. The butter done melted, and I'm finna start putting my spices on there. Alright. So, do this. I got garlic powder. Not too much, not too much. I got onion powder. Just a little bit of that. I know, I'm a messy cooker. Black pepper. Gotta have the black pepper. And also, lemon pepper. I know it's crushed off, y'all. It's lemon pepper, though. Lemon pepper. I'm gonna mix that up. Oh, that smells so good. And also, if y'all would like to see me, I did a short. If y'all would like to see me cook my new little salad or whatever you want to call it, with the cucumbers, the eggs, and the meat, grilled chicken, or however you want to eat it. I do grilled chicken. So I'm gonna let that season get into that. Oh, I forgot a season, y'all. I forgot one. I'm gonna do a little bit of the Creole seasoning. I'm just gonna do a little bit. That's nothing too fancy. And then I'm gonna mix it up. Put them tops back on there for me. Everything except the lemon pepper, because you know me. I probably gotta add some more. And this is the finished product, y'all. So, yes, I know the video ain't that long. Y'all see that? Oh, let me cut it off. Very simple thing to do. You can get the grilled chicken. You can either cook your grilled chicken, but I always get the Kroger brand already done. You just, unfreezing it. Get the shrimp. I always get peeled-less shrimp, so I don't have to peel the shell off or nothing like that. Add your butter if you want butter. I did garlic, onion, lemon and pepper, black pepper, and a little bit of Creole seasoning. And yeah. And I also, hold on, let me put my stuff together and I'll be back. I'm cool. I'm back. I got my bowl with the chicken and shrimp. This is going to be my dinner and lunch. And I also got me a little glass of Kool-Aid. So if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell to get notified for more videos from your girl. Also, I know y'all see this book right here. If y'all want to see me do a recipe out this book, I never did a recipe. I bought the book, never did a recipe out of it yet. So if y'all would like to see me do one, leave your comments down below, and I can take y'all through the steps by step by step. Don't forget to love yourself, love your family, and love the one above. Also, go watch my previous videos, subscribe to my channel, and I will do the same. Be blessed.